Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Edition, and the title of the video is Moments Before She Catches a Felony and Gets Fired. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about here.
Good job,
Hey, we're not gonna have any.
Holy shit!
On January 31st, 2025, officers responded to a workplace incident involving an employee reportedly out of control, attacking co-workers and damaging property. Two employees attempted to restrain her until officers arrived.
Is anybody injured? Are you injured? You don't need an ambulance? Okay.
Is there anyone injured? No. No? Okay. Can you talk over there, maybe?
Yes.
This is Jenny.
I'll talk to Jenny real quick. Will you just see if anybody got physically? Hi. You're Jenny?
Yes.
Okay. What's going on today?
Nothing. I was telling my supervisor nothing's going on, and she told me that I seemed out of it.
Okay.
And I was like, I'm tired. I work 2 jobs.
Okay.
Like, it's Friday. Like, I have to go to my other job, my yoga studio, and clean up and go to work.
Sure.
That's it.
That's understandable. Okay.
And that was it.
Okay.
And that was it.
Did you physically go after anybody? Did anybody physically go after you?
They just, I just kept asking them, like, what's wrong? Like, I didn't do anything. Like, what's wrong with it? And I just kept pleading to them. I was like, I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything.
Okay.
And that was it. But it wasn't anything like me being aggressive to them. Or at least I didn't think it was being aggressive.
Did anybody put their hands on you?
No.
Okay. And you didn't put your hands on anybody else?
No.
Okay. How much sleep did you get last night?
I got 8 hours.
You got 8 hours. What time did you start this job today?
It would have been at 7.
So 7 in the morning.
So when I woke up, would have been 7. By the
Okay.
time I got here, it would have been 8.
Okay. So, and then you work what, 8 to
8 to now.
8 to now? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Has this ever happened before? They've never approached you?
No.
Okay.
Oh, this is new.
Okay. Have you had anything to drink?
No.
Okay. Are you somebody that does drink alcohol?
Occasionally, but not today.
Not today. Okay.
No. Especially not because I'm working.
Okay, so that's never something like you would go
No.
on your lunch break and maybe have a drink
no,
or
no,
anything
no,
like
no.
that. Okay.
No.
What about any type of like medicine you're on or anything like that?
Nothing.
Nothing? Okay.
Nothing.
So you just feel tired?
Could be, but this is every Friday. Like, this is something.
Do you have days off? What are your days off?
No.
You
I
don't
mean,
get-
I'm Monday through Friday, and then so when I go and clean at the yoga studio, is Monday, Thursday, or Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So it's not like it's just today.
Okay. So you just feel overtired.
I mean, I feel
Okay.
normal.
Okay. This
Yeah.
is your normal?
Yeah.
Nah, come on. You gotta come on. If you gonna lie, you gotta come up with a better story than that, baby. You can't sit there and say, I work 3 jobs or I work other jobs and this and that. And then the lady asks you, how many hours of sleep did you get last night? Oh, I got 8. And according to, society and everything, 8 hours of sleep is the appropriate amount of sleep. So you, on one hand, you can't say, I work 3 jobs. That's why I might be out of it, because they're questioning, you're not yourself or whatever. And you're saying I work a couple of jobs and, whatever. And then come to find out you got a full night's sleep. You didn't work your other job yesterday because you only work Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So you're fine. This is your normal, like the officer said. Like, come on, you better come up with a better excuse. Man, I've been up. I only got 4 hours of sleep. Like, yeah, you better what? Come on, man. We can't. Then you got the fake tears or whatever. It's when they make the voice, they make the crying sound, but there's actually no water and nothing that comes out.
Okay, you don't know why they think you... Did they say anything as to why they thought you looked
No.
maybe not abnormal?
No.
Like you didn't fall asleep at your desk or anything
No.
like that?
No.
Okay. Would you tell me if you had anything to drink? And if I didn't tell your boss, just so I know medically what I'm dealing with?
Yeah.
And you're saying no alcohol, no No type of drugs or anything like that.
Yeah.
Yes, you have, or no, you haven't?
No.
No, you haven't. Okay.
No.
Okay. You do seem a little off to me talking to you, but I don't
In
know
what
you.
way?
You seem a little like slow to respond, and your eyes are very glazed over. Were you crying at all?
Yeah, I was
Okay.
crying
Okay.
because of what they accused me of.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I didn't even ask. How old are you?
I'm 32.
Okay, so you're 32. So you haven't had anything, and you think this is more of a misunderstanding?
Yes.
Okay. How did you get to work today?
By myself. I'm like coming to here regularly. Yeah.
Okay. And you didn't drive or anything like that?
I mean, I drove.
Oh, you drove. You did
yeah,
drive.
of
Okay.
course.
You drove
That's what I'm
yourself
trying
there.
to tell you. Like, I drove
Okay.
here normally.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So I've got to talk to my partner. This is kind of I got to make sure nothing criminal happened. I don't think anything did. Okay. Then it's going to be more of an internal thing with your workplace. How long have you worked here?
I worked here since October.
October. Okay. So they might have some internal whatever they're going to decide to do. That's out of our hands. Okay.
Okay.
The next thing I will have to do is make sure you're good to drive.
Okay.
Okay. So you would be able to pass some field sobriety test, or I could just get a PBT and you could blow into it and it should show all zeros, right? Or is it not going to?
No, at that point, that's whatever you guys think.
I just want to make sure you're good to drive. I sure wouldn't want you to get behind the wheel and then have an accident, and you don't need that in your life, right? You don't need a DUI, because you could leave here, head yourself, and do another.
She must
test.
smell alcohol or something on her breath.
So if I gave you a PBT test, would you blow zeros or no? You can just shake your head yes or no. I don't care. And I'm not going to tell your boss. It's not my place to tell your
I
boss.
mean, it's not
My
my
concern
place
is
to
you-
tell anything.
My concern is you don't drive if you had too much to drink.
I mean, I'm fine right now, and there's nothing to.
Would it be, okay, how about this? Would it be best if you called a friend or a family member or an Uber to have you leave for tonight and come get your car later?
Sure.
Does that sound fair?
Yeah.
Okay, I like that. I appreciate that. Okay.
Yeah.
But let me go talk to my partner,
Okay.
and then we're gonna try to get out here. Do you have your ID on you?
Yeah. Let me get it.
Oh no! You don't have to get it. Just, I don't want you to have any confrontation with them. Just have a seat. My partner's gonna hang tight with you. Okay.
So at this point, no, they don't want to do anything other than have her
Okay.
leave.
Perfect. Okay. She's gonna get in. You wanna do an Uber?
I mean, I'm fine. I'm just
Fine.
telling
Here,
you,
I'm
like,
gonna be
if
honest
you
with
need.
You're not going to drive without talking to you. Okay?
No, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm fine.
You're not fine to drive.
I'm
So
gonna tell you right now,
okay.
I'm fine.
I know that's what you're telling me, but I can tell by just the communication I've had with you, you're not okay to drive. Okay? So, like, the best plan is for you to get an Uber.
This is the part where you say, yeah, I got the Uber app on my phone, or I can have my homegirl or husband or boyfriend come pick me up. You don't want no more issues. But you a little inebriated, and you about to fight with the police, and she actually being cool. That officer is actually being pretty cool.
Where's your phone at? Do you want to grab? Why don't you grab your stuff and call yourself an Uber?
Okay.
Is this your water bottle? Because it's leaking.
This big one.
Okay, this one.
You drink a whole one in a day?
Yeah,
That's pretty good.
Oh, good job.
Hey, we're not gonna have any. We're not gonna have any more
Holy
of this.
shit.
Let's walk out.
Yeah.
We're gonna walk out.
Good job.
Favorite stuff.
We're gonna leave. We're gonna keep walking.
Good job.
Keep walking.
Hey,
Keep walking.
Alright, that's it.
Now we're gonna leave.
Alright.
Hey. Joe, if you can give me a cup. So.
What an idiot.
Alright, don't move. I'm gonna make these so they don't tighten up on you, okay?
Don't move. Is there an exit that way or no?
Are you? You.
Jenny, we're gonna get you up, okay?
Yeah, I know.
We're not looking to fight with you, okay?
Oh, I know.
All right, I'm gonna help you up. Ready? One, just
No,
come this way.
Can you help me?
Sure.
That's fine.
Not you.
That's fine.
You can sit up. Now walk up.
You good? I'll be right
That's
behind
fine.
you.
Yeah, can you just open a door for us, please?
Oh, can you just open up?
I'm gonna go this way.
Yeah.
Just open up. Can I get all my stuff?
I'll grab your stuff.
No.
I'll grab your stuff.
Officer, please.
I'll grab your stuff. Whoa. Don't.
Oh, you ugly.
Let's go.
You ugly. You were disgusting. You were the most terrible manager ever. You never gave me feedback. You were terrible. Did you what? Yes. Stupid. I will you up. I will you up.
1382, give me a second.
Shut the up. Shut the up. You stupid.
Did you get hit, ma'am? Okay.
Yeah, she did. Good thing
Oh,
that she
perfect
got.
timing.
Oh,
You're gonna
good timing.
Let me go get my car.
Sure. Come back on.
Squirtly.
I'm trying to have somebody open up a door for us.
We time we got here? Or,
Yeah. Don't kick me.
Stop.
You've already been charged with aggravated battery. Don't move. Are you injured?
Oh, you're asking me right now if I'm injured? My right cuff is injured. You idiot. You're a idiot cop right now.
Don't kick me.
You are a idiot if you're telling me that if anything is injured. You're a idiot because you are injuring my right hand right now.
Don't move.
Oh, you.
This is the definition of a crash out. Should have just called the Uber.
Don't move, Jennifer. Don't move. Don't move.
Move. Shit. It's the same shit you guys are putting us through. What the fuck does it matter?
Or do you want me to hold the door?
You hold the door, yeah.
You want me to stand up? Yeah, go ahead.
Hold on, let me search it real quick. Look, I have to check you before you get in my car.
Go ahead,
Please don't kick me. Please don't do anything
I'm
violent.
not doing
okay?
shit to you. Just do it. Just shut the fuck up
I
about
gotcha.
it. Just fucking do it. Ma'am, you have nothing to worry about. Shut the fuck up.
sit back for me, please.
I'm sitting. What the fuck am I gonna do?
Yep.
Shut up,
We just-
dude.
we-
Just
We
leave
gotta,
me
we gotta
alone.
put the seatbelt on you, okay?
You gotta put your
Okay,
seatbelt
leave
on.
me.
So
Okay,
she's gonna
Where is it?
pass the
Why
seatbelt
does
to me.
she?
Oh, here we go.
She's gonna pass it.
She's a f***ing idiot.
Okay.
She doesn't know what the f*** she's doing. She's a f***ing idiot. Look at her.
Just sit back for me so we can get this around.
Barely. Look at this idiot.
You got it?
Holy shit. Good for you, ma'am.
Okay.
Good for you.
Okay.
Anything. I don't deserve this. Shit. Hey, you're going fast. Miss Girl. Patrolling. Woo! Patrolling. You're old as f***, so... so this must be so easy for you. Good for you. You have old gray hair, so I'm sure this is very easy for you. Good for you, girl. Good for you.
The woman was charged.
I wonder what these people think. Oh, let me let it rock. Hold on. We was just getting to the good part. You said, yo, Shy, you paused it at the good part. What you charged with? All right, my bad. Let me let it rock.
Charged with aggravated battery on a peace officer, obstructing a peace officer, criminal damage to property, and aggravated battery for assaulting her manager. Share your thoughts.
Okay. So what you think these people think of themselves when they finally see themselves, like either on YouTube or see the body cam footage or whatever leak, whatever comes out or whatever, when they sober up? Because she's clearly bombed. Whether she's high or drunk or whatever the case may be, I think she's probably drunk because the officer kept alluding to that. She was like, yo, have you drank anything, this and that? So she probably smelled it on her breath. But man, you could have just called the Uber and called it a day. But instead, you got to take yourself a nice free ride down onto the county.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.